Location-independent businesses are growing faster than ever, and digital governance is erasing traditional corporate borders. At the center of this shift is Estonia. You have probably seen the marketing hype online. It usually centers around two massive claims: the country's e-residency program and its famous 0% corporate tax rate. We need to break that illusion right now. Estonia is not a tax haven. Achieving a true 0% tax rate there is possible, but it requires strict operational discipline. Looking at this diagram, we can clearly define what that 0% rate actually is. The myth on the left assumes you pay zero taxes on everything you earn. The reality on the right shows that this is actually an indefinite tax deferral. You pay 0% strictly on the profits you retain inside the company. E-Residency grants you a government-issued digital ID to manage an Estonian business online. It is completely separate from your personal tax residency or your physical citizenship. Your physical location stays exactly where it is. The Estonian tax system operates as a structural incentive. The government is essentially giving you an interest-free loan on your corporate profits to help your business scale. But that only applies as long as you keep the money inside the business.
Before we dive into the exact tax strategy steps, let's talk about your legal foundation. You absolutely cannot legally pay 0% corporate tax without a properly structured business entity that fits into Estonia's unique tax system. Most people hear about Estonia's 0% tax model and try to scramble to piece together a random offshore setup, and that is exactly why they make critical filing errors, face massive compliance checks, or get flagged by tax authorities. To unlock Estonia's legendary 0% corporate tax benefit, which keeps your profits completely untaxed as long as you reinvest or retain them in the business your company needs to be a legitimate, officially registered Estonian OÜ, that's where Zolo comes in. Zolo is the absolute best service out there for international entrepreneurs, handling your entire Estonian e-residency company formation 100% remotely. They take care of all the heavy corporate lifting for you, setting up your legal virtual office address in Tallinn, registering your company, and most importantly, managing your ongoing monthly accounting and complex EU tax reporting so you stay perfectly compliant while optimizing your tax burden. I've linked my full, in-depth review of Zolo in the description, so you can see exactly why they are my top recommendation. Make sure to use my link down below to get your Estonian company set up through Zolo today, which will also unlock exclusive discounts and perks.
The foundational step in this system is setting up an Estonian Private Limited Company, or OEU. Using your e-residency digital identity, the entire incorporation process happens online. This flowchart tracks the life cycle of revenue generated by your new Estonian company. We'll call this Route A, Retain. Keeping profits inside the business for software, servers, or reinvestment means your corporate tax rate remains at 0%. Route B occurs when you distribute funds. Withdrawing money for personal expenses, salary, or dividends changes the rules. The moment money leaves the company, the deferral ends, and Estonia levies a 22% corporate tax on the gross distribution. There is an advanced exception to this distribution rule, known as the Section 50.1 participation exemption. This is designed for global holding structures. If your Estonian company holds at least 10% of a qualifying foreign subsidiary, the dividends from that subsidiary can flow into your Estonian company and eventually to you without triggering the 22% Estonian distribution tax. Taking advantage of this exemption requires complex cross-border structuring. The dividends must have been subject to foreign taxation before they reach Estonia. The mechanical reality of the Estonian company is highly specialized. It structurally rewards your long-term capital compounding and severely penalizes anyone looking for immediate personal liquidity. We have to shift our focus away from the digital company and look at the physical location of the human founder running it. This brings us to the core international tax concept that ruins the 0% strategy for most people: permanent establishment. Permanent establishment, or PE, gives your local tax authority the right to claim jurisdiction over a foreign company. They base this claim on where the company is effectively managed and controlled. This creates a dangerous dual residency trap. You might be managing your Estonian company entirely from your laptop, But if you are physically living and working in a high-tax nation like Germany or Spain, your local government will take notice. The financial consequence of this trap is steep. Your home country will neutralize your 0% advantage and tax your company's global profits at their local corporate rates. E-Residency offers powerful business continuity. It allows you to maintain clean, low-bureaucracy access to the EU single market, but it does not rewrite international tax treaties. Foreign tax authorities will look right past your digital registration in Tallinn. They are hunting for where the actual economic substance of your business exists. Running a completely borderless digital business is a legal illusion. If your physical tax residency demands global taxation, the Estonian structure cannot protect you from it. This matrix maps who benefits. Digital nomads avoid permanent establishment, maximizing the 0% retained rate. Next, SaaS startups keep capital inside, avoiding distribution taxes to scale faster. Finally, the solo freelancer triggers massive permanent establishment risks and distribution penalties by needing monthly personal withdrawals. Beyond the tax traps, the Estonian system comes with its own rising compliance costs and legislative updates you need to weigh. In 2025, the standard VAT rate increased to 24%. In 2026, Estonia introduced a new 2% personal income tax surcharge, specifically on board member fees. However, despite early proposals, the Estonian parliament officially scrapped the planned 2% corporate profit tax for 2026. The core 0% deferral remains entirely intact. The pros of this system offer massive structural growth advantages. The cons carry strict compliance penalties and rising peripheral costs for founders who don't do the math. Let's walk through this decision tree to determine if an Estonian company is the right move. First, do you need monthly personal income? If yes, and you rely on the business for living expenses, the model is inefficient. Distribution taxes will immediately erode your capital. If the answer is no, you move to the second critical question regarding your physical location. Do you live permanently in a country with strict permanent establishment or controlled foreign corporation tax laws? If you leave profits untouched and live in a favorable tax jurisdiction or as a nomad, the 0% deferral is fully unlocked. Even if the tax math isn't a perfect fit, the program provides an incredibly streamlined, low-bureaucracy gateway into the European single market. The Estonian 0% tax rate is a powerful tool. It is exclusively a capital reinvestment strategy built for scaling a business, not a personal tax evasion tool for those looking to cash out.